Can you see me clearly?
Yes,
Okay, very good. Okay. So how's your day?
good.
It's good. Did you go to school today, Rain?
Yes,
Okay. What's your topic in math today? You still remember what's your topic? No math. No teacher. Okay. So yesterday we have discussed what we have discussed yesterday, Rain. It's about division of.
division fraction.
Very good. Division of fraction. So, can I ask what are the three rules in division of fraction? What is the first rule?
Keep, change, and flip.
Very good. Keep, change, and flip. Okay, very good, Ray. Now, yesterday evening we have discussed, we have answer sheets about division of fraction, but whole numbers and fractions. So today we will discuss fraction to fraction or division of fraction to fraction. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. I hope you can see it. Wait, just wait. Sorry for my voice. Okay, okay. Okay, Rain, can you see my screen?
Yes,
Yeah, okay, very good. Okay, again, what is the first rule in dividing fraction? Keep, and
keep,
then
change, and flip.
keep, change, and flip. Okay. So number one, how do you answer that? Number one. Can you show me how to answer that? And I will see if your answer is correct. What happened?
It's more difficult it's more difficult to write.
Why? You keep na very good. 9 over sorry 10, and then you change division into
Uh, my writing on the computer looks weird.
why? Why it looks weird?
I don't know.
Okay, so I'll be the one to ano na lang. Wait lang ha. Oh my gosh. Okay, again. 9 over 10, 9 over 10. We keep 9 over 10. And then we change division into what?
3/1.
Okay, this side, we will change it into multiply.
Multiplication.
Very good, multiplication. And then we flip 1 over 3, the reciprocal. What is the um flip form of 1 over 3?
3/1.
Very good, 3 over 1. Now, in multiplying rather, let's multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Okay, 9 times 3, Rain, what's your answer?
It's 27.
Very good, 27. How about 10 times 1?
10.
10. Very good. So your answer is, what's your answer?
27/10.
Very good, 27 over 10. Very good, Rain. Next number. Okay, 1 over 6 divided by 2 over 10. Again, 1 over 6 divided by 2 over 10. Okay, 1 over 6. And then change division into multiplication times. And then what is the flipped form of 2 over 10?
10 over 2.
Very good. 10 over 2. Okay. So 10 over 2. So multiply 1 times 10. Rain, what is 1 times 10?
10.
10. How about 6 times 2?
12.
Wow, very good. Okay. What number can be divided by 10 and 12, Rain?
5 and 6.
Who's 5 and 6? 10 cannot be divided by, 12 cannot be divided by 5.
2.
Same, very good, 2. 10 divided by 2.
5.
5. 12 divided by 2.
6.
6. Okay, again, what's your answer?
5 over 6.
Very good. 5 over 6. Very good, Rain. Okay, let's go to number 3. Can you try number 3 for me? I hope it works. Okay, very good. Okay, go on. Oh, what happened?
An ant bit me.
Oh my God, the ant bit you. Why? Why do you think?
Sticker.
What do you think? You're sweet. Yes, 10 over 2 was 7. 1 times 10, Rain. 1 times 10 lang muna. 1 times 10. Okay, very good. 7 times 2, 14. What number can be divided both by 10 and 14?
2.
2. Very good. 10 divided by 2?
Not good again.
5. 14 divided by 2? 7. So the answer is, what's your answer?
5 over 7.
Very good. 5 over 7. That's correct. Number 4.
It's not good again.
Not
Could
working.
you write it for me?
Okay, say. Okay, go. Okay, 1/4 divided by 5 over 6. Again, you keep number 1 rule, you keep 1/4. And
Keep
then
1/4.
next is, what is the second rule?
Multiply.
Multiply. Okay, change division into
Times.
times or multiplication. And then flip 5 over 6. What is the flipped form of 5 over 6? Rain, what is the flip form
6
of 5?
over 5.
Very good. 6 over 5. And then you multiply. 1 times 6.
6.
6. 4 times 5.
20.
20. Okay. What number can be divided both by 6 and 20?
2.
2. 6 divided by 2?
3.
3. 20 divided by 2?
10.
10. Okay. So what's your answer?
3 over 10.
Very good. 3 over 10. Very good, Rain. That's correct. Now on number 5. Number 5 is, can you read it for me? Number 5, Rain. What's the problem?
6 over 9 divided by 8 over 9.
Okay, 6 over 9 divided by 8 over 9. Again, you write 6 over 9 and then change into very good multiplication or times and then flip. What's the flip form of 8 over 9?
9 over 8.
Very good. 9 over 8. And then multiply 6 times 9. What's your answer?
54.
54. 9 times 8. What's your answer?
72.
72. Wow, very good. Okay. What is the what number can be divided both by 54 and 72? What do you think?
9.
9. Wow, very good, Rain. That's fast, huh? 54 divided by 9. What's your answer?
6.
Very good, 6. 72 divided by 9. What's your answer?
8.
8. Now, 6 and 8. Is there any number that can be divided both by 6 and 8?
Yes.
What number?
2.
2. Okay, 6 divided by 2?
3.
3. 8 divided by 2?
4.
4. So your final answer is?
3 over 4.
Very good. 3 over 4. Wow. Number 6. Number 6, Rain, is 5 over 6 divided by 2 over 3. Again, 5 over 6 divided by 2 over 3. What do you think is the answer, Rain? Just do not write lang. What do you think is the answer?
Mine is still bad.
It's okay. No. Clear.
But you told me to do the rules. Change, keep, change, and flip.
Oh, yes. 5 over 6. Is your writing is bad?
I don't know why.
What happened to your computer? Yesterday, the other day, your camera isn't working. Yesterday evening, your camera is blurred. And now, your keyboard, I think, is not working properly. What happened to your computer? No, is that 5 over 9, Rain? It's 5 over 6, I think. Okay, very good. And then, in the flip form, reciprocal, yes. Now, I will continue na lang. Is it okay for you if I will write it for you?
Yes.
Okay, go. And then equals 5 times 3, answer
15.
15. Very good. 6 times 2,
12.
12. 15 over 12. Is there any number that can be divided both by 15 and 12?
Yes.
What number?
3.
Very good. 3. 15 divided by 3?
5.
5. 12 divided by 3?
4.
4. So what's your answer?
5 over 4.
Very good. 5 over 4. Very good, Rain. Next, let's proceed to number 7. Okay. The problem number 7 is 2 over 3 divided by 9 over 12. Okay. 2 over 3, then multiplication times, then flip form of 9 over 12 or reciprocal.
12 over 9.
12 over 9. 12 over 9. Now, 12 times 2, what's your answer?
24.
24. 9 times 3.
27.
27. Very good. 27. Now, what number can be divided both by 24 and 27, Rain? What do you think?
3.
3. Very good. 24 divided by 3.
8.
8. 27 divided by 3.
9.
9. So what's your answer?
8/9.
8/9. Very good. Now, go to number 8. Number 8 problem is 9/11 divided by 1/6. Okay? 9/11. Then division into multiplication. Reciprocal form of 1/6.
6/1.
Very good. 6/1. Now, 9 times 6, Rain, what's your answer?
54.
54. 11 times 1.
11.
11. Very good. Is there any number that can be divided by both 54 and 11?
No.
What do you think?
There's no number that can be divisible.
Okay, so your final answer is, what's your final answer?
54/11.
54/11. Very good. Next is number 9. Number 9 is 2/5 divided by 3/7. Okay, 2/5 division to multiplication. 3/7 to 7/3.
3.
Very good. Okay, so 2 times 7, what's your answer, Rain?
2 times 7.
Yes,
14.
po. 14. 5 times 3?
15.
15. Okay. Is there any number that can be divided by 14 and 15?
No.
No. So your final answer is 14/15.
15.
Very good. Next is number 10. Okay, number 10. Last number for this first worksheet. 2/3. Sorry for my runny nose. 2/3. Then division change into multiplication.
3/1.
Okay, 3/1. Okay. 2 times 3, Rain. What's your answer?
6.
6. 3 times 1.
3.
3. 6 divided by 3. What's your answer?
2.
2. So your answer is
2.
2. Very good. Very good, Rain. Good job for the first worksheet. You got it all correct. Next. Second worksheet. Is the lesson easy for you, Rain?
Yes.
Because you're good in multiplication. You memorize all the multiplication tables.
Yes.
That's why. Okay, so. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Is it easy too?
Yes, it's easy. Okay, 2/3 divided by 7/10. Again, you write, wait. You write 2/3 and then times. What is the reciprocal form of 7/10, Rain? Oh my God. Rain, what is the reciprocal form of 7/10?
10/7.
Very good. 10/7. Okay. Then 2 times 10, what's your answer?
20.
20. 3 times 7?
21.
21. Is there any number that can be divided both by 20 and 21?
No.
No. So your final answer is, what's your final answer?
20/21.
Very good. 20/20. That's fast. Okay. Number 2. 3/4 divided by 1/4. Okay. Again,
3/4 times
Wow.
4/1.
Wow, very good. 4/1. 3 times 4?
It's 12.
12. Sorry for my round nose. 4 times 1?
4.
4. So 12 divided by 4. What is
3 and 1.
3 and 1? 12 divided by 4.
3 over 1.
3 over 1 or 3. Okay, so your answer is 3. Next number 3. 3 over 10 times the reciprocal of 2 over 4.
9 over 8.
No. Reciprocal form of 2 over 4.
Oh,
Number 3 pa tayo ha.
4
Okay,
over 2.
4 over 2. Okay, next. 3 times 4,
12.
12. Very good. 10 times 2,
20.
20. Okay. What number that can be divided by 12 and 20? Where are you, Rain? 12 and 20. What number can be divided both by
4.
4? Very good. 12 divided by 4,
3.
3. 20 divided by 4,
5.
5. So your answer is
3 over 5.
very good. 3 over 5. Very good. Next, number 4.
9 over 12 times 9 over 8.
Very good. 9 over 12 times 9 over 8. Okay. 9 times 9.
81.
Very good. 12 times 8.
96.
Wow, 96. Is there any number that can be divided by 12, 81 and 96?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. So your final answer is
81 over 96.
81 over 96. Okay. Next, number 5. 5 is 7 over 9 times
10 over 8.
10 over 8. 10 over 8. It's equals to, what is 7 times 10?
70.
70. What is 9 times 8?
72.
72. Okay. What number that can be divided by 70 and 72?
Nothing.
Nothing. What is 72 divided 2, Rain? Can we divide 72 by 2? Rain?
I don't know what number can 70 do divisible by 2.
Can we divide 72 by 2? Let's try. 7 divided 2. What's your answer? How many 2 are there in 7? Oh, you forgot, huh? You forgot long division. Okay. 3. Okay. 3 times 1?
3.
No. 3 times 2 rather, sorry.
6.
6. Okay. Then 7 minus 6?
1.
1. Bring down 2. 12 divided by 2?
6.
6. So it's 36. Okay. 36, we can divide 70 and 72 by 2. 70 divided by 2, Rain. What's your answer? Rain, 70 divided by 2. What's your answer? 1/2 of 70, Rain.
35.
Very good, 35. And then 72 divided by 2 is 36. So your answer is 35 over 36. Did you get my point, Rain?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now, what number are we?
7.
7. Okay. 2 over 3. 2 over 3 times 12 over 6.
6.
12 times 2.
24.
24. 3 times 18. No. 3
What?
times 6. Sorry.
18.
18. And then 24 divided by 18. Or can we, is there any number that can be divided both by 24 and
3.
18? 3. 24 divided by 3.
8.
8. 18 divided by 3.
6.
6. How about 8 and 6? Can we divide it by 2? 8 and 6? Can we divide it by
4 over 3.
4 over 3? So your final answer is 4 over 3. Very good. Now, number 8. We're now on number 8. Okay. 1 over 10 times, what is the reciprocal of 5 over
8
8?
over 5.
Very good. 8 over 5. Now, 1 times 8?
8.
8. 10 times 5?
50.
50. Okay. What number can be divided by 8 and 50?
Nothing.
We can divide it by 2. 8 divided by 2.
4.
4. 50 divided by 2.
25.
25. Okay. So it becomes 4 over 20.
4 over 25.
Okay, very good. Now, number 9. Before we head to our last number. 7 over 8 times 3 over 2. Okay, 7 times 3.
21.
21. 8 times 2.
16.
16. Is there any number that can we divide by 21 and 16?
So,
No. Okay. Yes. So your final answer is, what's your final answer, Rain?
21 over 16.
21 over 16. Good. Okay, last number. 4 over 5 multiplied by what? 12 over
9.
9. 12 times 4. What is 12 times 4, Rain?
42.
40. Oh, what's 42? You check.
40.
40
12.
times
24.
4.
36. 48.
Very good. 48 over 5 times 9.
45.
45. So your final answer is 48 over 25. Okay, that's for tonight, Rain. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned a lot from me. You learned a lot from me.
Bye.
Bye-bye.